What is that, Riley?
A sickle bladder.
Very good. Keep going. Show me how it works. Oh, you gotta go the other way. There you go. Good job. Oh, you're doing it too, Nick?
Yeah.
Flip it over. There you go. Almost. Good job. Show me how it works, Nick. Good job.